Hey, fellow travelers, welcome to Vacay with J&A. I'm Jim, and I will be your guide for this quick room tour. Today we're at the Gaylord Resort and Convention Center in Denver, Colorado, and this place is massive. You will definitely get your steps in when you stay at this resort as you make your way to all the different activity areas the resort has to offer. We stayed in room 7104, which had a wonderful mountain view. We'd booked a regular room, but we got upgraded because of the status we have with Marriott. When you come in, there's a closet directly to your left that has a safe, an iron, and oddly enough, a hairdryer in the closet, which isn't really the first place I would look for it. There's some extra bedding as well as an ironing board and some hangers for your clothes and some space to store your luggage. Then there's a small little counter area that has a coffee maker and some coffee for you, as well as some glasses for water, rice, or whatever. There's also a mini fridge down there, which kept things very cold. Dual sinks in the bathroom, which are always nice because it gives you plenty of space to spread out and make yourself at home. There was a nice shower, but when I tried to shower at 8 p.m., the flow wasn't the best and the water never got past lukewarm. I didn't have the same problem the next afternoon. Hashtag big resort problems, am I right? There's not a lot of outlets in the room, only two on top of the alarm clock, a couple by the bed, and a couple in the desk. So you may want to watch out for that. There is a door here that connects to another room. If you have more than one room, you can get them adjoining. Now, rooms at the resort range from $450 to $900 a night. We used the free night certificate we had from one of our credit cards, so we only had to pay the resort fee of $31.57 because Marriott doesn't waive those resort fees on point stays. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll show you how you can stay here for just over $30 too. Now, one of the highlights of this room in the resort for me were all the airplanes coming in and out of Denver. This resort is a great location for plane spotting, and I found it very relaxing. Thanks for taking this quick tour with us. Happy travels.